Hi guys, welcome back to Unboxer TV. So this is my official website. So guys, if you are watching this video, in this video I'm going to tell you about the proof of Windows 11. Does Windows 11 exist? Let's head on to the Microsoft website and let's just check out the store, Microsoft Store, whether Windows 11 exists, and I'll give you the clear picture of the proof. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel Unboxer TV, make sure you subscribe and like this video and share as much as possible. So guys, let's continue, and now let's head on to the Microsoft official website. And now over here, let's check out the Windows and so let's just go a little bit down and let's just check out last get Windows 10, why upgrade, features, compare Windows 10 editions. So there is no Windows 11 over here. Let's just make sure we'll just check out whether there is Windows 11. Let's just search Windows 11. So over here, download Internet Explorer 11, desktop themes, Windows Media Player, download for Windows. There are so many things 11 but not Windows 11. So guys, this is the official proof you can get, and don't get tricked by the YouTubers. When you search on YouTube about Windows 11, you get many of the videos what do you say, showcasing Windows 11. So when you search Windows 11, they just give you the what do you say, introduction concept and download the review and something and all, and some of the release date videos just make some calculation type of weird things and just tell you that it is going to be launched in 2020 and something like that. So guys, don't get tricked. Make sure you share this video and subscribe to my channel, and if this video is helpful, please comment below. Thank you guys, meet you in the next video. Till then, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay updated. Thank you guys, meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.